Welcome. In this video, I am going to solve this particular question. So here we have to solve these simultaneous equations. So let us say x plus y equals to 5 as equation number 1. And let us say x minus y equals to 11 as equation number 2. Equations are linear equation in two variables. The variables used are x and y. So we have to find the value of the variable x and y which satisfy both the equations. So here we have to find the value of the variable x and the variable y which satisfy both the equations. So let us solve this question. So there are many methods to solve simultaneous equations. So in this video, I am going to solve by the elimination method. So I am going to use the elimination method. So in elimination method, we eliminate one of the variables. So here the variables used are x and y. So we can eliminate either the variable x or the variable y. So I will show you both of them. So in the first process, we will eliminate variable x and solve this question. And in the second process, we will eliminate the variable y and solve this question. Okay. So in the first process, we are going to eliminate variable x. Okay. So let's solve. So first I will write down both the given equations. So equation number 1 is x plus y equals to 5. So x plus y equals to 5. This is equation number 1. And equation number 2 is x minus y equals to 11. So x minus y equals to 11. This is equation number 2. Now x plus y equals to 5. So x means 1x. And 1x, the sign here is plus. So x means plus 1x. And plus y means plus 1y. So x plus y equals to 5. This means plus 1x plus 1y equals to 5. Similarly, x minus y equals to 11. So x means plus 1x. And minus y means minus 1y. So x minus y equals to 11 means plus 1x minus 1y equals to 11. So equation number 1 becomes plus 1x plus 1y equals to 5. And equation number 2 becomes plus 1x minus 1y equals to 11. Now here we are eliminating the variable x. So look at the coefficient of the variable x in both the equations. So in equation number 1, the coefficient of x is plus 1. And in equation number 2, the coefficient of x is plus 1. So if we ignore these signs, we can see that the numerical value of the coefficient of x in both the equations are same. It is 1 and 1. So let us ignore the sign for the time being. So if we ignore the sign for the time being, we can see that the numerical value of the coefficient of x in both the equations is same. It is 1. So now I will write down both the x's of equation 1 and equation 2. So in equation 1 we are having plus 1x, and in equation number 2 also we are having plus 1x. And I want to eliminate x. So plus 1x and plus 1x. So what should I do so that the x gets eliminated? So plus 1x, which operation should I do so that it eliminates plus 1x? So that operation is subtraction. Plus 1x minus plus 1x will become 0. You can check it. So plus 1x minus plus 1x. So minus multiplied to plus. Minus multiplied to plus is minus. So minus into plus is minus. So minus 1x. So plus 1x minus 1x. So they will cancel and it becomes 0. So we can eliminate x. So to eliminate x, what we have done is we have done subtraction. So equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2. If we do this, we can eliminate the variable x. So let us now do equation 1 minus equation 2. So again I will write it. So we are having plus 1x plus 1y equals to 5. This is equation number 1. And equation number 2 is plus 1x minus 1y equals to 11. This is equation number 2. And we are doing equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2. So that means on the left hand side we will do equation 1 minus equation 2, and on the right hand side also we will do equation 1 minus equation 2. So first let us do the left hand side. So on the left hand side we will do equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 1 is this on the left hand side. So the left hand side of equation number 1 is plus 1x plus 1y. This is the left hand side of equation number 1 minus the left hand side of equation number 2, which is this. So plus 1x minus 1y. So equation 1 minus equation 2. So the left hand side will now become, so now let us simplify this. So plus 1x plus 1y. Now minus multiplied to everything inside the bracket. So minus into plus 1x. So minus into plus is minus. So minus 1x, and minus into minus 1y. So minus into minus is plus. So plus 1y. And what does this become? So plus 1x minus 1x. They will cancel. Plus 1y is plus 2y. Or simply you can say 2y. So the left hand side, when I do equation 1 minus equation 2, the left hand side becomes 2y. So 2y, that is equal to, now let us do equation 1 minus equation 2 on the right hand side. So equation 1 is 5. So 5. Then I will do minus equation 2. The right hand side of equation 2 is 11. So 5 minus 11. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So 5 minus 11. 5 minus 11 is minus 6. So minus 6. So 2y equals to minus 6. When I do equation 1 minus equation 2, I get 2y equals to minus 6. And now you can see that there is no variable x. So we have eliminated variable x. 2y equals to minus 6. In this equation there is no variable x. So variable x has been eliminated. So 2y equals to minus 6. So from here I can find out what is the value of the variable y. So 2y equals to minus 6. Now this is linear equation in one variable. You have done this before. So from here I have to find what is the value of y. So for that what I will do is I will divide both the sides of this equation by 2. So on the left hand side I will divide by 2 and on the right hand side also I will divide by 2. So 2y divided by 2 equals to minus 6 divided by 2. So if I do that, what do I get? So 2y divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancels. So I am left with y. So y equals to minus 6 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So it is minus 3. So minus 3. So I have found out the value of y. The value of the variable y is minus 3. So y equals to minus 3. We have found out the value of the variable y. And now let us find out the value of the variable x. Already we have found out the value of the variable y. The value of variable y is minus 3. And now let us find out what is the value of the variable x. So for that we will substitute the value of y in any one of the equations. So let us substitute it in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x plus y equals to 5. So x plus y equals to 5. And now in this equation I am going to substitute the value of y. The value of y is minus 3. So therefore this equation now becomes x plus, what is the value of y? The value of y is minus 3. So instead of y I am writing its value, which is minus 3. So x plus minus 3 equals to 5. And now let us solve this to find the value of the variable x. So x plus minus 3 equals to 5. So x, now plus into minus 3. Plus into minus 3 is how much? Plus into minus is minus. So minus 3. So x minus 3 equals to 5. And now this is linear equation in one variable. So let us solve this to find the value of x. So for that what I will do is I will add 3 to both the sides of this equation. So on the left hand side I will add 3 and on the right hand side also I will add 3. So the left hand side is x minus 3 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 will cancel. So I am left with x. And on the right hand side it is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So x equals to 8. The value of the variable x is 8. So I have found out the value of the variable x and the variable y. The value of x is 8 and the value of y is minus 3. So when I solve these simultaneous equations, the value of x is 8 and the value of y is minus 3. And if you want to cross check, you can cross check. So let us cross check in equation number 2, because in equation number 1 we have substituted the value of y and found out the value of x. So to see whether our answer is correct or not, let us cross check it in equation number 2. So equation number 2 is x minus y equals to 11. So x minus y equals to 11. This is equation number 2. So let us cross check it. So what is the value of x? Our value of x is 8. So instead of x I will write 8 minus, what is the value of y? Our value of y is minus 3. So instead of y I will write minus 3. And is this equal to 11 or not? Let us check it. So 8 minus minus 3. Is this equal to 11? So let us see. So 8. Now minus into minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 3. And yes, 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 equals to 11. Yes. So our answer is correct. When I substitute the value of x and y in this equation, I am getting 11, which is the right hand side value. So yes, our answer is correct. So in this way you can cross check your answer whether you are doing it correctly or not. So this is how we can solve such kind of questions by elimination method. Now as I told you before, I will show you both the process. So in process number 1 we have solved by eliminating the variable x. So you can solve the same question by eliminating the variable y. So let me show to you that process also, so that you will be aware of both the process and you can apply any one of them in the examination hall and solve such kind of questions. So in process number 2 we are going to eliminate the variable y. So eliminate the variable y. In process number 1 I have solved it by eliminating x, and I am getting the value of x and y as 8 and -3 respectively. So in process number 2 I will eliminate y and I will get the same answer. X value will be 8 and y value will be -3. So let me show to you. Okay. So first let me write down both the equations. So x plus y equals to 5. This is equation number 1. And x minus y equals to 11. This is equation number 2. Now x plus y equals to 5. X means plus 1x. Plus y means plus 1y. So plus 1x plus 1y equals to 5. This is equation number 1. Now x minus y equals to 11. X means plus 1x. Minus y means minus 1y. So plus 1x minus 1y equals to 11. This is equation number 2. Now here we are going to eliminate the variable y. So let us look at the coefficient of the variable y in both the equations. So in equation number 1 the coefficient of y is plus 1, and in equation number 2 the coefficient of y is minus 1. So in equation number 1 coefficient of y is plus 1, and in equation number 2 the coefficient of y is minus 1. So for the time being let us ignore the signs. So this plus and this minus, let us ignore it. So the numerical value of the coefficient of y in equation number 1 is 1, and the numerical value of the coefficient of y in equation number 2, that is also 1. So the numerical value of the coefficient of y in equation number 1 is 1, and the numerical value of the coefficient of y in equation number 2, that is also 1. So the numerical value of the coefficient of the y in both the equations are same. Both are 1. Okay. Now let me write down the y's of both the equations. So plus 1y, this is for equation number 1, and equation number 2 is minus 1y. And I want to eliminate y. So plus 1y and minus 1y. So which operation should I do so that we can eliminate the y? So if I do addition, I can eliminate the y. So plus 1y plus minus 1y. So what is that? So plus 1y plus into minus 1y. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 1y. So plus 1y minus 1y. How much is that? So plus 1y minus 1y cancels and we get 0. So the y gets eliminated. So if I do addition, I can eliminate the y. So equation 1, this is of equation 1. So equation 1 plus this is equation 2. So if I do equation 1 plus equation 2, then I can eliminate the y from both the equations. So the operation I will do is equation 1 plus equation 2. So again I will write down both the equations. So plus 1x plus 1y equals to 5. This is equation number 1. Plus 1x minus 1y equals to 11. This is equation number 2. Now we are doing equation 1 plus equation 2. So we will do equation 1 plus equation 2 on the left hand side, and we will do equation 1 plus equation 2 on the right hand side. So let us do it. So first let us simplify the left hand side. So equation 1 is this. So let me write it down. So plus 1x plus 1y. This is equation number 1. Plus equation number 2. The left hand side of equation number 2 is this. So plus 1x minus 1y. So equation 1 plus equation 2. Let us solve this. So plus 1x plus 1y. Now plus into everything inside the bracket. So plus into plus 1x. Plus into plus is plus. So plus 1x. And plus into minus 1y. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 1y. So plus 1x plus 1y plus 1x minus 1y. So this plus 1y and minus 1y, they will cancel with each other. So we are left with plus 1x plus 1x. Plus 1x plus 1x is plus 2x. And plus 2x, we can simply write it as 2x. So when I do equation 1 plus equation 2 on the left hand side, I am getting 2x. So 2x. So that is equal to, now let us do the right hand side. On the right hand side, I will do equation 1 plus equation 2. So equation 1 is 5. So 5. This is equation 1 plus. Now equation 2, the right hand side of equation 2 is 11. So 11. So 5 plus 11. Equation 1 plus equation 2. So 5 plus 11. 5 plus 11 is 16. So equation 1 plus equation 2 on the right hand side gives me 16. So 2x equals to 16. This is what I get. And now in this equation there is no y. So we have eliminated y. So 2x equals to 16. This is what I get. And now in this equation there is no y because we have eliminated y. Now 2x equals to 16. This is linear equation in one variable. So now we will solve this to find the value of variable x. So 2x equals to 16. Let us solve this to get the value of the variable x. So for that I will divide both the sides of this equation by 2. So the left hand side will be 2x divided by 2 equals to, the right hand side will be 16 divided by 2. Now 2x divided by 2, 2 and 2 will cancel. So we are left with x. So x equals to 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So x equals to 8. So the value of the variable x is 8. Here also we got our value of variable x as 8. Here also we are getting the value of variable x as 8. So the value of variable x is 8. And now we have to find the value of the variable y. So now in this process let us do with equation number 2. So let us use equation number 2 to find the value of variable y. So equation number 2 is x minus y equals to 11. So x minus y equals to 11. So here I am going to substitute the value of variable x to get the value of variable y. So x, the value of x is 8. So instead of x, I will write its value, which is 8. So 8 minus y equals to 11. So now let us solve this. So what I will do is, now this is linear equation in one variable. So we have to find the value of the variable y. So I am going to subtract 8 from both the sides. So 8 minus y minus 8 that is equal to 11 minus 8. So I'm subtracting 8 from both the sides of the equation. So the left hand side, 8 minus y minus 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So they will cancel. 8 and minus 8 will cancel with each other. So I'm left with minus y. So minus y equals to, now the right hand side will be 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. So minus y is equal to 3. And we have to find out the value of y. So right now we are having minus y equals to 3. So from here we have to find out the value of y. So for that, let us multiply both the sides of this equation by minus 1. Because we have to find the value of y. Right now I know the value of minus y. Minus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to how much? So for that I have to eliminate this minus sign. So to eliminate this minus sign, I am multiplying it by minus 1. So I will multiply by minus 1 on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Because whatever operation you do on one side, the same operation you have to do on the other side also. So minus 1 into minus y equals to minus 1 into 3. Now minus 1 into minus y. So minus into minus is plus. So this will become plus. And 1 into y is 1y or simply y. So the left hand side becomes y. Now that is equal to minus 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. The value of y, that is minus 3. So the value of the variable y is minus 3. And here also we got the value of y as minus 3. So y is minus 3. So the value of x is 8. The value of y is minus 3. So if you do by this process also, you will get the same value of x and y which you got in process number 1. So when I did in process number 2, I got the value of x as 8 and the value of y as minus 3, which is the same value which I got over here also. So whichever process you do, you will get the same answer. That is the beauty of maths. So either you can solve this question by eliminating variable x, or you can solve this question by eliminating variable y. So this is how you can solve such kind of simultaneous equations by elimination method.